Hey guys, welcome. My name is Paul Sidoti, Regional Executive Chef at Porto's Bakery and Cafe. Today, we're gonna be making our version of the Frita Cubana. The first step in making the frita is working on the patty. We're gonna be using fresh ground beef, ground pork. We're also gonna be adding some spices, cumin, paprika, smoked paprika, black pepper, salt. We're also gonna be adding some diced onion and garlic. These are green plantains. We use these a lot in our bakery. They're very special, indigenous to the Caribbean, and something that is a staple in Cuban cuisine. This is how you peel it. You make one incision there, one here, one along the back, and you peel it this way. It's a green plantain. There you have it, our version of the Frita Cubana. Come into any of our bakeries after 10 a.m. and enjoy it. This pairs great with any of our Cuban sodas. We look forward to serving you.